Woke up feeling heavy? Legs stiff? Hips locked? Like your body's resisting the day before it even begins? You don't need to power through the tension, you need to release it. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with the flow that entangles the two tightest zones in your lower body, hips and hip flexors. Step your right foot forward, drop into a lunge, and gently rock back and forth. Shift your hips forward, then pull them slightly back. Stay with the rhythm. I promise this resets your hip mobility, improves circulation, and preps your legs for the rest of the day, especially if you're sitting a lot. Beginners, keep your hands on the ground for balance. Advanced stretches, add a gentle twist or arm sweep overhead. Now switch to the left. Feel the difference? Most of us are tighter on one side. Here's a quick tip. Asymmetry in the hips can throw off your entire spine. This move helps restore that balance. Five more seconds here. That just unlocked your hip socket. Now let's tune the rotators. Sit tall with your knees bent and feet wider than hip width apart. Drop your right knee inward towards your left foot. Alternate to the other side like windshield wipers. Repeat slowly and with control. This move looks odd, but it targets something we often ignore: your internal rotators. These are the muscles that help your hips stabilize every step you take. I promise you, improving this rotation reduces back pain and makes squatting, walking, and even sitting feel smoother. Beginners, keep your hands behind you for support. Advanced stretches, try it without your hands, staying upright. Did you know that you can stretch your hips daily, but if you ignore internal rotation, progress stalls? Five more reps, stay fluid. That just opened up your stabilizers. Now let's lengthen your hamstrings. Step one foot forward, straighten the leg and hinge over it. Keep your hips square. You're now targeting the entire back line, hamstrings, calves, and even the lower back. It's not about touching your toes. It's about unlocking the tension behind your knees. I promise this stretch will help relieve that tight leg feeling, especially if you sit a lot or run often. Beginners, use blocks or keep your hands on your thigh. Advanced stretches, try flexing your front foot and pulsing slightly deeper. Can you feel the release behind your knee and under your glute? If not, slow down and breathe into it. Five more seconds. That just resets your legs. Let's go deeper into the glutes. Bring your right knee forward, shin across the mat, and extend the left leg behind you. Fold over it if you can. Hold and breathe. This one's famous, and for a good reason. It targets the glutes, piriformis, and even the lower back. I promise this move helps relieve sciatic pressure, unlock stubborn hip tension, and calm the nervous system. Beginners, use a cushion under your hip. Advanced stretches, walk your hands forward and melt into the floor. Now switch sides. Notice where you're gripping. Try to soften into that. Feel the tension melting yet? Give me 5 more seconds. That just got into the deep stuff. Let's finish with the standing challenge. Stand tall, grab your right foot behind you and press your hips forward. Keep knees close, don't let your back arch. This is where your morning ends in strength and control, not chaos. I promise releasing the quads improves posture, reduces hip tightness, and even boosts knee stability. Beginners, hold on to wall. Advanced stretches, raise your free hand and balance. Now switch sides. Here's your final challenge. Can you stay balanced and breathe deeply at the same time? Hold steady for 5 more seconds. You just reset your hips, hamstrings and spine, all in 5 minutes.